today I'm going to be visiting the typical American restaurant. So as you can see, all of my plates came, so there shouldn't be any more plates coming just now. But we also have this, which should taste even more better than that bread, because for some reason America likes bread without anything. Okay, we might add some like salt to it. The French fries first, okay? So without the sauce. I mean, of course I'm gonna try red gold ketchup. I like the name. I mean, I want to think about it right now. It's kind of hot, but at the same time it's very delicious. Especially with all the salt they added on this thing, and all the crispy, and how well they cooked it, and how thick this is. It just makes it awesome. Have you ever got to a restaurant that makes French fries like these? Have you ever noticed that? I mean, they literally give salt. You see all these ingredients? They give all of these for free. So you can literally just, I don't know, you can get a mini plate. You can literally pass some ketchup onto it, and then just look at this. You know, I changed my mind. One side it looks burnt, and the other side it looks completely unburned, like less cooked. I knew that had such a weird taste. It'd be better if I had some egg maybe? I should have never added the egg. The hash brown is already good enough. I will do this. I mean, what else should I do? A little better. Oh, that was 3 out of 10. The last plate we're going to be trying to look at this crispy bread. It kind of feels like it has something inside. It has oil inside. This isn't even oil. It's like, it tastes like a cake. I think you guys should try the plates that I like, because I definitely recommend them, because maybe you like them, because I have pretty much the same taste as everybody else. So you probably wouldn't like this, but I mean, I like it. You guys can try it, but I don't think you would like it, so I recommend not to order it. But other than that, it's good. Okay, I overreacted a little bit, but total amount was 46.48, which is kind of good. It's like average. Everything is average in this one, but that's it for the video. So I hope you guys like watching the video, and see you guys next time. Bye.